In the vast, chaotic world of cryptocurrency, where fortunes are made and lost in seconds, there's one platform that captured the madness like no other. It's called Pump.fun, a website that promised to make crypto creation fun, fast, and open to everyone. But behind that cheerful name lies one of the most fascinating and controversial stories in the digital age. A story about greed, creativity, and the human obsession with getting rich fast. It all began in early 2024 with three crypto enthusiasts, Noah Tweedale, Elon Cohen, and Dylan Curler. They weren't billionaire founders or Silicon Valley elites. They were young developers, fascinated by the chaos of memecoins, those joke tokens that somehow made millions overnight. But they had seen enough scams, enough rug pulls, enough stories of regular people losing their savings because of shady developers who dumped their own tokens and vanished. So they asked a simple question: what if anyone could create a coin instantly without needing to code and without getting scammed? And from that question came Pump.fun, built on the Solana blockchain, one of the fastest and cheapest networks at the time. The idea was deceptively simple. Anyone could go to the site, type in a name, upload an image, pay a tiny fee, and boom, a brand new cryptocurrency was born. It was part experiment, part social statement. Because in their eyes, crypto wasn't supposed to be exclusive. It was supposed to be fun. But what they didn't realize was how fast fun could spiral into mania. By mid-2024, Pump.fun had exploded. People were creating thousands of tokens every day, each one with its own name, joke, or meme. Doge 2.0, Elon's cat, Banana Coin, Sleepy Trump. The internet had gone wild. For a small fee, users could mint a token and immediately start trading it. And because Pump.fun took a cut from every trade, the platform itself was making millions every single day. It was the TikTok of crypto. Fast, addictive, chaotic, and impossible to ignore. Soon, influencers began making videos about how they turned $10 into $10,000 overnight. Twitter and Discord flooded with Pump.fun screenshots. And in just a few months, what started as a small developer's project became a cultural phenomenon. Even established crypto traders couldn't believe it. Pump.fun was redefining the meme economy, turning internet jokes into actual money. But with every success story came hundreds of failures. Because for every coin that soared, 1,000 others crashed, instantly. Most tokens died within hours, leaving behind empty charts and broken dreams. Still, no one seemed to care, because in the world of Pump.fun, every coin was a lottery ticket. But soon, the fun started to reveal its darker side. With so many people chasing quick profits, Pump.fun became a breeding ground for pump and dump schemes, where creators hyped up their coins, sold at the peak, and left others holding worthless bags. And since the platform was open to anyone, it attracted all kinds of behavior: creative, reckless, and sometimes disturbing. At one point, Pump.fun even introduced livestream features, where people could promote or celebrate their new coins live. It didn't take long before the streams turned bizarre. Some users did outrageous stunts for attention. Others crossed serious ethical lines. A French newspaper later described it as the disconcerting world of Pump.fun, where disturbing live streams became entertainment. The founders faced backlash. Critics accused them of creating a casino disguised as innovation. Regulators began asking questions, but the traffic didn't slow down. In fact, controversy made it even more popular. By mid-2025, Pump.fun had launched over 1 million tokens, processed billions in trading volume, and even hosted its own massive token sale. Pump, the site's native coin. That token alone raised over $500 million in just 12 minutes. The internet had never seen anything like it. Pump.fun was now the face of a new crypto generation, where creation was democratized and speculation was gamified. To some, it was a revolution. To others, a ticking time bomb. The good side was undeniable. Anyone, anywhere, could create a coin in seconds. The barrier to entry was gone. Creativity flourished, and communities formed overnight. For a brief moment, it felt like the internet had rediscovered its wild, free spirit. But the bad side grew just as fast. More than 98% of tokens launched on Pump.fun never reached any real market success. Many investors lost money chasing hype, and the site became a mirror of humanity's oldest weakness: greed. Because when making money becomes a game, ethics often disappear. Even some of Pump.fun's early supporters started to question what it had become. Had they created a tool for freedom, or just another digital slot machine? Pump.fun still exists. It's still one of the biggest platforms on the Solana network, and it continues to spark debate. Is it the future of decentralized creativity, or a symptom of crypto's moral decay? Because behind every viral meme and mooning token, there's a deeper question. Why are we so drawn to easy money? To the rush of speculation? To the idea that maybe, just maybe, this coin will be the one that changes everything? Pump.fun wasn't just a website. It was a mirror, reflecting the best and worst parts of human nature. The curiosity, the innovation, the greed, the chaos. And whether you see it as a scam, a social experiment, or a revolution, it captured a truth about our time. That in the digital age, value is no longer about what something is, but what people believe it could be. And sometimes, belief alone is enough to start a billion-dollar pump. Your support really helps the channel grow. And who knows, the next story might just be your favorite one yet. So go ahead, click subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.